First prepare your image, then log in, go to Components, Ignite Gallery, Images, you select your category, then you browse to find your image to upload, start upload, and to view all these you select all, and it seems it inserts it right at the bottom. So to push it right up the top, activate these and then click and drag up. Once that's at the top, you need to add your text and description of the artwork. I suggest you open up your text edit and save some code in like this. So use this as a framework, copy, because this adds all the class styling for each one. And then you go to the coding, go back here, go to the coding and paste in. And then you change the text accordingly to what you want. That's for the title. And that's for the date, etc. And that's for the private collection. And if you don't want that, you can delete the whole line. So then go back to the editor, and that's that there. Then click Save. That is now done, so you can view it. Go to Canvas board, and it's there with the correct styling. And I think that's it. If we go back to finish, you can just simply click the logo to go back to the home page of the login.